Borneo, where hidden treasures are, feeding themselves through the greens, each element completing each other, boasting its beauty to mankind, a world full of wonders. Deep within the lush rainforests of Borneo lives a gentle giant, the Bornean rhinoceros, with its thick, bumpy skin and a single impressive horn. This critically endangered creature is a relic of a bygone era. Here's a captivating fact about the Bornean rhino. Despite its formidable size, it's actually the smallest of all rhinoceros species. Bornean rhinos are solitary animals, except for mothers raising their calves. Using their excellent sense of smell to find the tastiest treats. Sadly, these magnificent creatures are under threat from habitat loss and poaching. They spend their days chomping on leaves, fruits, and twigs. Luckily, the conservation efforts are underway to protect them, but their future remains uncertain. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy of the Malayan rainforest. Birds chirp and exotic insects buzz. A Malaya tiger, Magla, with stunning orange fur and black stripes, stalks silently through the undergrowth. Her eyes are watchful, her movements deliberate. This is my home. The rainforest, with its secrets and its dangers, is in my blood. Deep within the emerald cloak of the Malayan rainforest, a solitary hunter reigns supreme, the Malayan tiger, with its stripes as bold as brush strokes and a coat the color of burnished copper, is a marvel of evolution. Built for stealth, its small ears minimize heat loss during daytime hunts, and its whiskers twitch with every rustle, detecting hidden prey. Though the Malayan tiger is the smallest of its kin, it's a powerful predator. Deer, wild boar, even sun bears tremble at his silent stalk. But this magnificent creature, a symbol of strength and resilience, is now a fading whisper in the rainforest. Deep in the heart of Borneo, the world's oldest rainforest, lives an incredible species, the orangutan. These gentle giants, with their reddish fur and intelligent eyes, are clinging to existence in a rapidly changing world. This is Kalati, an orphan orangutan separated from her mother at a young age. Now she must learn to survive on her own in this unforgiving environment. Kaladi's journey is fraught with challenges. Food is scarce and dangers lurk everywhere. But Kaladi is a resilient young orangutan, and she is determined to survive. Fortunately, there are people like Budi who dedicate their lives to protecting orangutans. At the Rehabilitation Center, orphan orangutans like Kaladi receive care and learn the skills they need to survive in the wild. Scene. Under Budi's care, Kaladi begins to thrive. She learns essential skills and starts to form bonds with other orangutans. The ultimate goal is to release these rehabilitated orangutans back into their natural habitat. It's a bittersweet moment, but also a chance for Kaladi to start a new life. Back in the rainforest, Kaladi faces new challenges, but she is no longer alone. She has the skills and the support of her new orangutan family. Kaladi's story is one of hope and resilience. It is a testament to the amazing adaptability of orangutans and the dedication of those who work to protect them. The Bornean rainforest is a lush and vibrant ecosystem teeming with life. But it's also a challenging environment. To survive here, animals need to be tough and adaptable. The bearded pig is perfectly suited for this rainforest life. These pigs are stocky and muscular, with thick fur that protects them from the thorns and dangers of the rainforest. But their most distinctive feature is their beard. A mane of coarse bristles that runs from their cheeks down their throats. Scientists believe this beard may help protect them during fights with other males. Bearded pigs are omnivores. They eat both plants and animals. They use their strong snouts to dig in the forest floor for roots, grubs, and worms. They also eat fruits, leaves, and even small mammals. Bearded pig mothers are very caring and will fiercely protect their young. They give birth to litters of up to 6 piglets, and the piglets will stay with their mother for several months until they are old enough to fend for themselves. The Borneo bearded pig is a fascinating creature that plays an important role in the rainforest ecosystem. These pigs help disperse seeds through their droppings, and they also control the populations of insects and other small animals. Sadly, the bearded pig is threatened by habitat loss and hunting. But conservation efforts are underway to protect these remarkable pigs and ensure their survival for generations to come. Imagine a world shrouded in emerald green. This is the Borneo rainforest, where sunlight struggles to pierce the dense canopy of towering trees. The oldest rainforest on Earth, teeming with life that has thrived for over 130 million years. Here are some fascinating facts about the Borneo rainforest. Borneo's rainforest boasts the title of being the oldest rainforest in the world, estimated to be twice as old as the Amazon rainforest. This verdant island is a biodiversity hotspot, home to countless unique species of plants and animals. From the majestic orangutans swinging through the trees to the elusive clouded leopards. Borneo's rainforest is a nature lover's paradise. Sadly, despite its resilience, the Borneo rainforest faces threats from deforestation and habitat loss. In the bushy lands of Borneo lives the woodpecker, a master of storage. Woodpeckers have a special talent for collecting and storing acorns. They use their strong beaks to hammer acorns into tiny holes they've drilled in trees. They can store thousands of acorns in these hidden granaries. Their exceptional memory helps them recall the location of each acorn, even months later. Through the rainforests of Borneo, there lives a fascinating creature called the Bornean deer. Unlike its mainland cousins, barely reaching the size of a medium-sized dog, the Bornean deer is the smallest deer species in Southeast Asia. But what it lacks in stature, it makes up for in resilience. Their tiny hooves are perfect for navigating the dense undergrowth of the forest floor, and their unique barking calls help them keep in touch with their fawns. One of the most interesting facts about the Bornean deer is their tusks. Unlike most deer, both males and females have these sharp upper canine teeth. Scientists believe these tusks are used for fights between females over territory and mates, as well as for self-defense against predators. Borneo's rivers are home to some of the largest crocodiles in the world. The estuarine crocodile. These crocodiles are ambush predators. They lie low in the water. Nearly invisible, waiting for unsuspecting prey to come close. Their powerful jaws and sharp teeth can deliver a bone-crushing bite. Despite their fearsome reputation, crocodiles are an important part of the Bornean ecosystem. They help control prey populations and keep the rivers healthy. The vast Borneo rainforest, teeming with life, is an irreplaceable natural wonder. Cloud-piercing peaks to the lush green depths, this ancient ecosystem is a powerhouse of biodiversity. But this vital resource faces threats from deforestation and climate change. By supporting conservation efforts and making sustainable choices, we can all help Through the wonders of nature, unique creatures relying on each other, regardless the species. From the lowest ground to the highest peak. Captivating us humans with its vibrant colors. This is our treasure. In the cool, freshwater canals of Mexico City lives a creature that seems straight out of a fairy tale. The axolotl. Unlike most amphibians, axolotls never truly grow up. They are living fossils, existing for millions of years with little change to their appearance. Eyes are unique-looking lemurs found only in Madagascar. These animals have a mix of features that might seem odd. They possess big eyes and ears, a rodent-like incisor that never stops growing, and a long, bushy tail. They live in groups and breed families during the summer months. Koalas. These adorable animals are marsupials, like kangaroos, but their diet is quite unique. They're specialized herbivores that subsist almost entirely on eucalyptus leaves, which are toxic to most animals. Koalas are champions of sleep, averaging a whopping 18 to 22 hours a day. Bears are fascinating mammals found around the world with 8 distinct species. These powerful animals come in various sizes, from the brown bear, the Earth's largest land predator, to the sun bear, the smallest. Most bears are omnivores with a keen sense of smell and powerful claws for climbing and catching prey. However, the giant panda, though classified as a bear, is an herbivore that thrives on bamboo. Unfortunately, habitat loss, poaching, and climate change threaten bear populations. Conservation efforts are vital to ensure their survival. Elephants, the largest land animals on Earth, they have the largest brains of any land animal, weighing up to 13 pounds. They use their trunks for breathing, smelling, grabbing food, watering themselves, and even communication. An elephant's trunk is a marvel of nature, containing over 150,000 muscles and incredible dexterity. Elephants are highly social creatures living in close-knit family herds. They grieve their dead, cooperate to raise young, and exhibit strong bonds within the herd. Giraffes are truly amazing creatures, standing tall with their beautiful features, captivating and majestic. Each giraffe's spot pattern is like a fingerprint. No two are identical. They reign supreme as the tallest land animals on Earth, reaching heights exceeding 18 feet. Their legs alone are taller than many humans. Their long necks are accompanied by incredibly long, prehensile tongues, up to 1.8 feet. They also communicate with low-frequency sounds that we can't hear. Tisbanina, the king of the mountains. It is the highest peak in the eastern Alps, towering at an impressive 13,281 feet. Tisbanina reigns supreme over the Engadin Valley. It holds the distinction being the easternmost peak in the Alps that rises above 13,000 feet. While the majority of these enormous mountains are found in the Western Alps, Tisbanina stands proudly as the easternmost giant. A majestic peak steeped in challenge and beauty. The Matterhorn, a titan among the Alps. It rises above the landscape with a near-perfect pyramidal peak reaching 14,692 feet. Its iconic silhouette has captivated hearts and imaginations for centuries. This legendary mountain is more than just a scenic wonder. It's a formidable challenge etched into the Swiss skyline. Looming over Lucerne, Mount Pilatus, shrouded in legend and local lore, it is a magnet for adventure seekers. At 7,014 feet, it offers dramatic climbs and breathtaking panoramas. Pilatus is a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts. The world's steepest cogwheel railway offers a thrilling ascent to the summit, while hiking trails provide opportunities to explore its rich flora and fauna. The mighty peak of Jungfrau. towering at an altitude of 13,640 feet. Jungfrau isn't the lone wolf, though. It forms a formidable trio with its neighboring peaks, the Eiger and Menanche, known as the Big Three of the Bernese Alps. Instantly recognizable for its dramatic presence overlooking the Lauterbrunnen and Grindelwald valleys. The Eiger, a mountain in the Bernese Alps of Switzerland. It is not just notorious for its challenging climb, but also admired for its beauty. Its north face is a nearly vertical wall of rock and ice, but other aspects of the mountain offer breathtaking scenery. From its peak, hikers can enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding valleys and glaciers. These adorable seabirds capture hearts with their colorful beaks and comical strolls on land. Nicknamed clowns of the sea, puffins, they're impressive divers, capable of reaching depths of 200 feet underwater using their wings to propel themselves. They boast brightly colored beaks and puffy underparts, making them undeniably cute. Mountain birds, a group of feathered creatures that have adapted to thrive in the often unforgiving environment of high altitudes. Many mountain birds have thick feathers that provide excellent insulation against the cold mountain air. Some species even have feathers that extend over their legs and feet for added warmth. The thin air and unpredictable winds of the mountains demand exceptional flying skills. Mountain birds are agile and have excellent maneuverability, allowing them to navigate through gusts and around obstacles with ease. The epic trek of the wildebeest. Every year, over 1.5 million wildebeest embark on a phenomenal 1,800-mile journey across the East African savanna. This relentless trek is fueled by their constant search for sustenance and water. A mesmerizing display of light. In Puerto Rico's Mosquito Bay, millions of microscopic organisms called dinoflagellates light up the water, creating an otherworldly glow. This bioluminescence is a defense mechanism, triggered when the dinoflagellates are disturbed by movement in the water. A tale of mutual dependence. Clownfish and anemones share a fascinating symbiotic relationship. Clownfish take refuge among the stinging tentacles of anemones, which protect them from predators. In return, clownfish keep the anemone clean and free of parasites. Certainly, mountain waterfalls are a powerful testament to the erosive forces that sculpt our planet's landscapes. Imagine standing at the base of a cascading waterfall, the mist spraying your face as the deafening roar fills your ears. The cascading water not only carves majestic canyons, but also nourishes the surrounding ecosystem, providing a vital source of fresh water for plants and animals. Nature's beauty extends far beyond the landscapes and habitats we see. It's a complex and interconnected web of life. Creature plays a vital role. This intricate dance of life ensures the survival of all species and the ongoing health of the planet.